Hi there, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Bukky Ayo. I am the founder of Femmetitude, and if you're watching this video, it means that you want to know how to take care of yourself and attract the right people. Now, before I get into how to take care of yourself and attract the right people, I quickly want to discuss definitions with you. Because it's important to understand that a lot of us have a different definition to what it is to actually take care of yourself. And it's even more so important to understand that it comes from a place of influence. And it's not a good thing, it's not a bad thing, it just happens, it's normal. We get influenced throughout our life. And it starts as soon as you come out of your mother's womb. So the family you grow up in, how you are being raised, that influences you. The school you go to influences you. Your classmates influence you. Maybe your religion, maybe your hometown. A lot of these things actually influence us to give a certain meaning to a word. So it's important to understand that you might see it this way, but another person can see it that way. And it's neither good or bad, it's just different, and that's fine. It depends on the way you give definition to a word. Now, my definition of taking care of myself is honoring myself. My needs, my past, my story, just honoring me, all of me. Even the things that you normally wouldn't brag about. Taking care of myself is listening to what I need, listening to what I feel, and then asking myself, what do I need? What does it mean? Where does it come from? And then taking aligned action with what I feel I need. And instead of thinking, oh, I feel this, so I'm supposed to do that, I'm going to now ask myself, what would happen if I gave myself what I needed? So now we've come to attracting the right people. The first question you have to ask yourself is, who are the right people? And not necessarily who are the right people in general, but who are the right people for you? Because you're going to be attracting them. And in my opinion, the right people are people who have good intentions with you. Not people who are always going to support you. People who are always going to say yes. Not people who are equally as smart as you or equally as nice as you. But people who have good intentions with you. This could be anyone from friends, family members, maybe even partners, or clients. So, people who have good intentions with you, those are, in my opinion, the right people, or the people you want to attract. Attracting is something that happens from being pulled, being drawn to someone's energy. It's something that happens when you can relate to someone, or when you can recognize yourself in them, or maybe a part of your story in their story. So you have something similar. And attraction is something that comes naturally when one stands in line with their essence. When you live from a state of honoring yourself, that's when you are going to attract the people who can relate to your state of honoring. So it would be fair to say that once you start taking care of yourself, you're going to attract the right people. And to say this in a different way, once you start honoring yourself, your needs, your story, the right people will be attracted to you. if that connection happens, that attraction happens. Whew. That was a good one. Now, if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. I'm excited to read all about it. And let me know which one of these things you'll be trying in the future. For our upcoming video, we'll be discussing how you can let go of control. So, if you don't want to miss it, make sure you click subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next week. Bye.